Hi guys, I have a special guest, Takashi, with us. He is a business development manager at Hioki, Japan. He manages all sectors Hioki is focusing on, such as the EV, battery, device, and energy sector. I'm going to talk to him about Hioki's vision and our mission behind promoting solutions that are both innovative and reliable. So some of you are not familiar with Hioki. Tell us, who is Hioki?
Sure, I'm gonna explain about Hioki. Hioki has developed, manufactured, sold, and serviced electrical measuring instruments for nearly a century. Our mission is to contribute to society's peace of mind and development by promoting safe, effective use of energy through electrical measurement. For example, our power analyzers are used by automakers around the world to measure the power consumption of electric vehicles while they are running.
So what does Hioki want to achieve?
Through electrical measurement, we are working together with our customers around the world to realize a sustainable society. We realize the importance of electrical measurement is increasing as the demands of our customers and the market are rapidly changing daily. To meet these demands, we place importance on listening to and understanding our customers' needs and dividing what is truly required. By combining our expertise in electrical measurement with ideas that meet our customers' requirements, we hope to provide solutions that are both reliable and innovative. We will continue to be close to our customers, aiming to provide unique solutions and contribute to the building of a sustainable society.
Hey, so now we have another exciting guest, Ryuji, with us from our headquarters in Japan. He's worked at the business development department and is responsible for product planning of power analyzers. I'm going to talk to him about what Hioki is heading towards and the story behind the development of Hioki Power Analyzer product line. Hi Ryuji, how are you?
Hi now, I'm pretty good. Thank you for your introduction.
So what is Hioki's goal?
We value the importance of accurate measurement because it is essential for more efficient use of energy. The world is moving toward a decarbonized society and to become more sustainable. Solar power plants have increased and the EVs have developed rapidly. And the power generation is transforming from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources like solar power. Gasoline vehicles are shifting to EVs. How efficiently renewable energy is used is more important. Electrical energy is invisible, so it is important to measure it to confirm how efficiently it is used. The PW8001 is a product and designed with a focus on accurate measurement.
What is the background behind the development of PW8001?
As efforts toward a decarbonized society accelerate, there are new demands to measure higher voltage DC in PV and to measure devices with higher frequencies, such as SiC and GaNs in inverters. To meet each of these demands, we came up with the concept of power analyzers that combines two units with differential features. The U7001, which can measure high voltage DC with high accuracy, and the U7005, which can measure high frequency powers with high accuracy.
All right, so as our final guest, saving the best for last, I have Shuhei with us. He's worked at Hioki, Japan as a design engineer and was one of the persons responsible for developing the greatest power analyzer. The PW8001 was released about a year ago. I'm talking to him about the background of the development and the impressions after the release. Hi Shuhei, I appreciate you being here with us. Okay, so the first question I got is what inspired you to develop the U7005, which is highest accuracy input module of the PW8001?
Power semiconductors such as silicon carbide and gallium nitride that enable high-speed switching have got widespread rapidly. When engineers develop some equipment using these devices, they need to accurately measure high-frequency power. So I felt this was exactly the work that Hioki could do, and that only Hioki could do it.
So why can only Hioki develop products for such devices?
When we measure high-frequency power, voltage and current must be synced with ultra-high precision, like nanoseconds. This is actually very difficult. As far as I know, Hioki is the only company that develops both power analyzers and high-accuracy current sensors. We had all conditions to optimize all elements, including sensors, towards the goal of nanosecond synchronization. So I felt we had a mission to achieve it.
So how do you feel now after releasing the PW8001 and the U7005?
We have always considered what we truly required for the next generation of power analyzers, while sincerely listening to the voice of customers. And we have concluded that it is high precision measurement of high frequency power. Because this might be a different approach from other companies, we were a bit worried if our solution would be well perceived before the launch. However, I was completely relieved of that anxiety by the many great responses. For example, we received a response from a senior engineer who develops equipment using silicon carbide inverters. I was really happy to hear those words, and now I feel a responsibility to deliver our products to more customers, because I believe that our power analyzers can contribute to making a sustainable society come true. Through our products, we want to create an environment where engineers can focus on their jobs without getting lost or stuck in the wrong way. By doing so, engineers can concentrate on their ideas and maximize their creativity. And beyond that, I feel we had a common goal for a sustainable society.